So the origin of this cranial nerve can be divided into deep origin, nuclei within the midbrain, and superficial origin, external attachment on the midbrain. So let's first begin to discuss the deep origin. The deep origin is by attachment to two nuclei, main oculomotor nucleus, Edinger-Westphal nucleus, both of which are found at the level of superior colliculus. So take a look. This is a section of the midbrain. Okay, you can see the substantia nigra, the crus cerebri, the oculomotor nerve nucleus, giving rise to the oculomotor nerve which will supply the muscles, Edinger-Westphal nucleus, giving rise to nerve fibers that travel with the motor fibers of oculomotor nerve, together forming the oculomotor nerve. You can see how both these are passing through the red nucleus, medialmost end of the substantia nigra, to emerge out at the medial sulcus of each of the cerebral peduncles. What are the functional components of this? So, main oculomotor nerve, Edinger-Westphal. What are the functional components? Main oculomotor nerve supplies muscles of eyeball. Muscles of eyeball are developmentally coming from pre-otic myotomes. Therefore, it is a general somatic efferent. What about Edinger-Westphal nucleus? Fibers of this consist of preganglionic parasympathetic fibers going to ciliary ganglion. From there, postganglionic going to sphincter pupillae and ciliaris muscle. This actually is the cranial outflow of parasympathetic system. Therefore, we call it a general visceral efferent. Okay, so general somatic efferent, general visceral efferent are the functional components of your oculomotor nerve. Now, what about the superficial attachment? Take a look at this beautiful image. This is your medulla oblongata, your pons and midbrain, basically your brain stem. These two are the crus cerebri, and from medial to them, you can see this oculomotor nerve emerging out as a single trunk. Why do I mention single trunk? Because you know it's actually consisting of fibers from Edinger-Westphal as well as the oculomotor nerve motor nucleus. Right? So if you're liking my lectures, do like and subscribe to my channel.